is almost half the price of brand new. 395 only. Very mura. Ang brand new is 800,000. Don't have stock already this one. You cannot buy Katana. Stock production already. You can buy GSX S1000. Not this style of Katana. This one is limited edition. This design of Katana.
Flat price, 395.
Yes.
Promote it now.
5,000 less for the registration. You're the one to renew the registration. For only about 2,000 only for the renew.
You change the owner name.
The owner name, if you want, I'm the one to process the change owner, you will add for me 10,000 less. But if you want, you the one to change owner in your place,
Kaya ba? Kaya pa ba?
it will cost you around 5,000 only. Because if I am the one to bring that to the LTO, then the process very time consuming. And labor also. Hirapan ako nung papayosi ako. Hirap ng English. Absent ako ng English subject. You live here how long?
13 years.
13 years already. Wow. That's why you understand a little bit Tagalog. Wow. Your family is here also? Chinese, Filipina?
My wife, Filipino.
Filipino ka. Okay. Sana sama mo siya dito. Ito kasi nakita niya na raw. Itong 550,000. Napuntahan niya na. Pero makinis daw sobra. Sa akin, may konting sugat daw. Pero 395. Sobrang mura. Hanggang 390 ko pabibigay. Kaya pag-iisipan niya maigi. Kasi 155,000 difference para sa maliit na gasgas. Siguro ito baka may drop dati nung sa may-ari. Pero very light lang. Ito lang oh. Hindi na makita. Luliit lang. Kaya mura din ang benta natin. Kasi minsan may nakukuha rin tayo na may konting gasgas maliit.